Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I'm so excited to share with you a brand new book that you can create in one day for your beautiful Easter memories. Welcome back, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick and easy brand new project share. I am just incredibly excited, and if you're new, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend with us. Oh my goodness, I do have a class trailer of this entire book and what it looks like and how my classes are playing at the end of this walkthrough. And I'm super excited to mention that I did use Mintay papers, this gorgeous illustration with watercolor, beauty and bloom. I mean, it's just absolutely perfect. It's starting to warm up over here in California, and it's just so awesome. Right here on the front cover, I did fussy cut some of these little images out of the paper line, and I cut around this little bunny and hand wrote happy and cut it around, and I stuck it right here, and it's kind of popped up on dimensional foam tape there, and I added a little strip of this cute little ribbon from my friend Amy from Virginia, so thank you so much for that, Amy. You are amazing. And here's the back, and it comes together so quick. I just made it in just one day, and I've got a little bit of ribbon here as well, again from Amy, and a little bit of crochet yarn I kind of mixed in there, so that was something new. If you've never made a mini album before, oh my goodness, this is one that you can do. So as soon as you open it up, right here on the front inside cover, you will notice this super fun acetate. Again, this was actually from my friend Sarah Johnson, so thank you so much. My friend Sarah Johnson from Maryland actually gave me that acetate, and it's got like these iridescent little glitter circles in there, and I just think it's so cute. I fussy cut and popped up this element from the page and added a little bit of a pull tab right there made of that ribbon. And then on the inside you can hold a ton of pictures in here. I just put like a simple cut apart, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. Totally customizable, an entire stack. This is a 1/4 inch gusseted pocket. A stack of 4x6 photos can fit beautifully in there. And it has a magnetic closure, so that's always awesome. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you'll be notified of monthly coupons that I put out, so if you're questioning your first class, you can get a deal off of that. Right here we have this super cute frame. I did do a little bit of a different matting technique, so that was so fun. I show you how to do that. And again, a 4x6 picture, no cropping necessary, front and back on this one. Look at that cute little flower with the little, oh my goodness, I just can't believe it. This is a little flap right here, so this folio, I'm telling you, it came together so fast, just a few hours. We've got a couple pictures right here, and a little pocket. If you're first starting out, or if you're a seasonal crafter, this is one that you can whip up real quick and really learn the basics of mini album making if you've never dove in before. This closes like that and actually opens again to the right and reveals the inside of here, and we've got like this cool little checkered element here, and I got like a little hidden flap, and it's just so simple. Oh my gosh. I put out new classes every month, and I've got about 60 classes already made, ready to go. So if you ever do decide to become a monthly subscriber, you can gain instant access to every tutorial I've ever created in my entire career, and it's totally ready to view and ready to go. Look at those chalk marker designs. Oh my gosh. And if you're not a member of my Facebook group, I would love to see the projects you have been creating if you are a YBM student. Everyone's sharing amongst each other, and we almost have 700 of us there now, so it's just growing, and it's just so much fun. Again, I left these elements open so you can actually tuck your photo underneath these little guys right here, and oh my gosh, I could just see the family photo here. And I popped up a cute little frame. I love the little birdie right there, and here's a little waterfall on the base back piece. This houses 4x6 photos easily. And this book, I think, holds about 30 plus pictures if you wanted to put a big stack right here in this pouch. And look how cute that wood grain. And that just folds right back up like this. And you got your little inserts in there. Totally customizable. You can stick way more in these pockets than you see that I have here. And look how simple. Oh my goodness. If you want to stay tuned for the class trailer, it's going to play right now. And again, friends, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a fantastic day. See you next time. Bye. Hello friend, so happy you have joined me today. I am very excited to embark on this crafting journey with you. I welcome you to the Happy Easter Folio class. Oh my goodness. And then I have my best friend, my Martha Stewart bone folder. This helps me burnish all my papers when I'm nice and ready to make good creases. And for some adhesive choices, I've got the ATG gun with name brand Scotch adhesive in there. Will be 2 pieces of 8.5 by 11. Medium weight chipboard. Got some geometric designs going on. The back of that looks like this. Love floral pages, just brilliant. Here's another one here. We've got some leaves, and in the back of that one looks like this. That way we can wrap our chipboard pieces inside of it, like a little present. You can add as many or as few as you'd like in your book. Again, this is yours. You do it your way. And then I like to bring it in, kind of using this portion of this, bringing that in. So the first one's going to be our A insert, 4.5 by 5.5. Let's do it. Next piece in line is our C flat. Let's go ahead and line this one up with a 3 13/16 side along the top, so just the short side. Let's just easily score it 1/2 inch. And you'll notice on each piece there is a bumpy side where the score mark makes the paper protrude, and then there's a dented side. I like to fold towards the bumpy side of the score mark, so I'm going to go ahead and flip my piece over where I can do that. So for every one of your pieces, you will notice a mountain side and then a valley. I like to stick my tape on the mountain right here for each one of my pieces. We're going to line this up with the closure of the pocket down at the bottom. And we're sticking that right down here in between there. And we have one E, 4 inches by 4.5. And just self-explanatory, coat that evenly with some ink, even distribution. So I'm going to flip my guy over and I'm going to line the edge. Okay, so I'm going to bring my piece in and actually stick this on where I have an even border of that craft paper underneath showing. It's 1/8 of an inch. And that's how I stick that on. And I go ahead and burnish like this. And then we have these 2 last little strips. Those are going to be 13/16 of an inch by 4, 2 pieces. So I'm going to use this side of my Fiskars paper trimmer, and I'm going to find 7/8 of an inch over here. And I'm going to pull back a 1/16 of an inch, and then 13/16 is right there.